And today we have a fellow friend from YouTube,
MOXKYBASHWELL.
yeah, and he came to visit me today. But we're melting up some of his copper. He brought it with him. He wanted to melt his own copper and make a bar out of it. More video from here. Lift it up around there nice and tight. Lift it up nice and easy. You got it, brother. You are the man. Nice and easy. Pour them right as much as you want in them. You got plenty for 2 bars. Oh, that's a beautiful bar. Look at that thing. It's already beautiful, shiny. You can pour it all. Pour it all right out. Beautiful. Look at that. That's nice.
Thank you very much.
That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at that. She's hot. Oh, yeah, it's hot. Man, look at that. Daniel.